So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to install Realtek audio driver in Windows 11. But before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So first of all, open Chrome browser and search for download Realtek audio driver. Here in the top you can see Realtek high definition audio driver for Windows. Click on it. Then scroll down a little bit and click on download audio Windows 10, Windows 11 zip. Click on I accept the terms in the license agreement. If your download doesn't start automatically, you can click on download manually, and after that choose the location of the file, then click on save. You can see it has started downloading. After the file has been downloaded, go to the file manager, extract the file, and then you can install Realtek audio driver in your Windows 11. I am not installing because I have already installed Realtek audio drivers in my PC. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.